Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about emotional breakup. Ah, I know everybody is excited to know about it, right? So now let us start with what is a breakup. Breakup is when you like someone or when you love someone and then that person leaves you is a breakup. That is the reason that both the parties involved in it gets hurt when the breakup occurs. It is like a mirror. Relation is just like a mirror, a very clean, where you see your reflection, your friend's reflection in it. But when a stone is thrown on the mirror is shattered. Similarly, breakup is like a stone which is thrown, shatters both the people involved in it. It's very painful. But why you were in love? You were in love, there are many reasons because of, infatuation, craziness. Sometimes you want something from that person. So you are in love with him. You are in relation with him. Or maybe you truly love the person. Now when you are in love, you like everything, of the person. Or means both of them, they like everything of each other. You adore, praise. Then suddenly what happened? What happened? That love turned into spite. True love is intense. Moment you are together in the true love, that is only present. You're just sailing in the present. You're enjoying the present, which is precious to you. Even silence is a deep communication when you are in true love. Breakup occurs when you want to be with the person, but then also you are separated from the person. But why this happened? What happened all of a sudden that the relation broke? Why you are so sad and dejected? Because there is a breakup in your relation. I think because you allow someone to control you. You gave undue importance to the person who doesn't deserve it. See, if the person would be really deserving you, then breakup will never occur. So please take care not to allow anyone to control you, or don't give undue importance to the person who doesn't deserve you. Now, after the breakup, sometimes, you feel that this is the end of the world. No, there is nothing in the life. Now, what to do? But it is not so. You try to analyze your relation. When you are alone or lonely, you can think better, I feel. Because, when you are alone, you recall everything, the positive as well as the negative. See, even in yoga, they tell you to meditate. What is meditation? Meditation is to remain with yourself. Breaking up yourself from the rest of the world. So, I think only loneliness or the solitude is the real thing which you should do after the breakup. Now it is very peaceful, see, because I think that when we are with ourselves, many things are going on, but then it results into the peace. Because whatever storm is there of the so many thoughts becomes cool and calm. Now, even if you say that when I'm in an emotionally low phase, Sometimes I don't feel like being alone, but I think that it is the time to be alone. Try to recall good memories of the life which is spent with your parents, with your brothers, sisters, or many other friends, which like a very good memories are in your mind, which will make you fresh, which will make you feel that there are so many people who loves you. You are really a person whom the people love, whom the people like, and which will make you happy that, okay, the person who was not for me is not there in my life, but there are many other persons who are there, who likes me, who loves me. Now, to move on with the life, I know, is not very easy. Sometimes we say very easily, okay, it's okay, just forget it and move on. But I know practically move on is not going to be so easy. But you have to start living. You have to start living in present. See, when you are in relation, you are girlfriend, but when it is over, you are what you are. Suppose your name is Maya. Then again you are Maya. You are not a girlfriend of some person, Mr. X. Again you regain your identity. You are what you are. I mean, your name, yourself. So, I don't think that to move on is going to be easy when you understand that what you do is to regain your identity. Now, might be your boyfriend has moved on. So, only, why not you? You are not sad. Actually, Maya is sad. Because Maya is the girlfriend of that Mr. X. And Mr. X has left. Therefore, Maya is not sad, but girlfriend of Mr. X is sad. Try to understand. Try to distinguish that you are Maya. Now you are not girlfriend of that Mr. X. So, when he left the relation, it's finished. The relation is over, but you are there. You will realize that whatever happened is for good, because, see, there is some reason or something which did not go well and so nice. That is the reason you have to go for the breaking up of the relation. It is over before you are in commitment of marriage. So you should feel blessed. You should feel that, okay, nice, before I make any commitment, I realize that this relationship is not worth. And so it is over. There might be dispute, strife, tension, after the marriage, and then there would be a divorce, which is a very bad phase of the life. Before that, you have broken the relationship. It's all over. So you should feel happy. There might be dispute, strife, tension in the relation, which may result in divorce. And that is going to be a real, very bad phase. So before that, you have realized and you have broken the relation. So I think that you should feel happy that you have avoided the worst phase of your life. But now, how to make ourselves comfortable in such situation? Dear, time is the best healer according to me. So just divert yourself, your anger, your frustration, whatever things which is going in your mind, into music, dance, sometimes drawing, anything which you feel that it makes you happy. Many poets have written beautiful poem after the heartbreak. Isn't that very true? Yeah, it is true. So please start with something fresh, a new start. God always makes arrangement, but be sure to realize it. You remove the veil of the past. See, the veil is there in your mind, in your eyes. Please remove the veil of the past. You may find better companion who understands you, who understands your feelings. But make sure that at that time your mind is clean, like a clean classroom board. After putting duster, we know what we do. We erase whatever is written in the board and then make it clean. Similarly, whatever is written in your mind, please first make it clean. There should be no stress, no stresses, nothing in your mind. It should be like a clean board. Then you can write a new thing on that board. But at that time, never compare your present boyfriend or girlfriend with ex-boyfriend or girlfriend. See, everybody has their own identity. Not only that, see, reason why you have broken up your relationship. There was something which is not matching with your wavelength. Definitely, you don't want again to repeat the same mistake. So never compare it. Accept the new things as it is. Try to understand. Because according to me, the experience is the best teacher. You make mistakes, but that gives you a precious experience. And you will be careful not to make again that mistake. To make mistake is not a big thing, but to repeat mistake is a foolishness. So definitely you are not going to repeat the mistakes which you have done first. You are not going to bound to a relationship which would have never given you happiness in life. So when you realize it, detach yourself from past memories and start a new life. See, even in the nature, you see after autumn, there is always the spring season. The autumn season of your life is finished. Let spring season enter your life. Allow the spring season to blossom you again, to enjoy your life. Life should be very happy and sweet, isn't it? So, dear friends, go ahead. Welcome the spring in your life. The spring full of enjoyment, full of colors. Thank you very much. That's all for today. I'm sure you all would have liked the video. If you like it, please share with your valuable friends and please give the comments and subscribe my channel and do follow my social link which is given in the description box. Thank you. See you soon.